topic what I wanted to discuss today is actually volume of rotation. So let me write the title of the topic. It is volume of rotation, and of course we will use integration. Okay. To find out the volume of rotation, we will use integration. So here you have two words. One is volume. You already know what is volume, and another word is rotation. So you need to understand why the rotation word is coming here. So the rotation word is coming. You will understand gradually, no problem. Let me just start with an example. So say we have a function here given. This is a function here. Say y is the function, and it is function of x, and this is just a straight line. Say it is just, let me write down like 2x minus 1. Okay, so this is the simple straight line, and the range of x values is given, and it is given as we can call this interval. Do you understand interval? This is just a term. So interval means there is a range and something to something. So the x interval here in this case, let us take 0.5 comma, and it is say 3. Okay. So now we will talk about volume of rotation in this context. This is the situation given. So let me draw this. The calculation will be very easy. Just drawing is very important so that you can understand what is happening. So in this case, the graph will be a straight line definitely, and it will be like this. It will be like this. The graph will be 2x minus 1. So you can say, yes, this is the graph, y equal to 2x minus 1 graph, and if x equals to 0, y will be minus 1. So this is the point actually. This is the 0 minus 1 point. So let me just write this. O is the origin, and then x dash is the x-axis left side, x-axis y, y-axis, and y dash is the y-axis negative side, downside. So I'm talking about this point. This point is actually minus 1 is the height. Okay, so this one is x1, and then 2, and oh, okay, 3 to onek boro. Okay, so let me take 2, no problem. So this one is 1 also in the upper side, and this one is 2 in the upper side, and this point which is crossing the x-axis line, this point, the line crossing the x-axis line, is actually 0.5, that is half. X value is 0.5. So when x value is 0.5, what will be the y value? You can put it here, 2 into 0.5 and then minus 1. So it is 1 minus 1, so it is 0. So we understand y value will be 0. So this is the y value. So it is the graph of the given function. Okay, so let us make this 2, not 3. The interval, let us make this 2. Why 2? Because just for making it simple, 3 is too far away, so we need to have big graph for that. So let us consider 2 only. Okay, let us make it a little lower, and then I also need to extend this line a little because it is necessary even for 2. So this is the line, and then I am showing the boundaries. So one boundary is x equals to 0.5. So this is the boundary line. This is x equals to 0.5. Another boundary is x equals to 2. So this is the boundary line for x equals to 2, right? So this is the boundary line, x equals to 2. Now there is the area inside, and the area inside I can fill it up with a color. So this is the area, right? This is the area. Is that okay? Everyone is okay with this
Yes,
drawing?
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now we are talking about volume. So actually what happens when we think about volume of rotation, it is actually the triangular shape here will be rotated. Rotated means it will be revolved. It will be revolved like, say this whole thing will be like this. Let me just draw it by hand. No, a little more. Yeah. So it will be a 3D figure like this. This will be a three-dimensional figure like this. What I am saying, this will be a figure like a cone, and it will come from the rotation of this triangle. So the x-axis will be the center of rotation, and this is the triangle. That means this is the triangle, and this triangle is being rotated by taking x-axis as its center. You understand? Can you
Sir,
imagine
the
what I'm
cone is
saying?
sir, the cone is the rotation.
Right. Rotation means it will be rotated like this. It will be
Yes, sir.
rotated
Yes, sir.
like
I'm
this. So it
understand.
will be going like this, 360-degree rotation. Which one? The triangular part. And the triangular part will be rotated, taking this line as the center. This line as the center. So that is the x-axis line. X-axis line will be the center of rotation, and then the whole figure, like the triangle, will make a cone, 3D cone, will make a 3D shape. So this 3D shape will have a volume, and we will calculate the volume of this particular cone shape in this example. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
So if you just apply the formula of volume, you can do the calculation. Calculation is very easy. Calculation is what? Volume calculation is pi, then integration, then lower limit. In this case, it will be 0.5, and the upper boundary of x will be 2, and then formula is y square dx. So you have the y value. So it is just 2x minus 1 whole square. So you put the value of y. So you will write 2x minus 1 whole square dx. And you easily understand what to do. You will just expand the whole square formula. So it is 4x square, then minus 4x, then plus 1. So it will be the expansion of the a minus b whole square formula. Then you move to the calculation next. Let me just erase this part and then do the calculation next line. So in the next line, you will uh, write what? You will write the 1 by 1 integration. So I'm not separating this thing, I'm doing it directly. So it will be 4 into x cube by 3, and then minus 4 into x square by 2, and then plus 1 into only x. So this is the integration result. And you use the third bracket and the lower limit of x, upper limit of x. And you put the upper value first. So 2. So it will be 4 into 2 cube. 4 into 2 cube. So it is 4 into 8 and divided by 3. And this is 4 into 2 square. So it will be 4 into 4, right? So it will be 4 into 4 and then divided by 2 and
Sir,
plus 2. Yes. So
where's the
this is,
pi?
oh yes, yes. Pi will be in the beginning. Yes, you are right. So pi will be in the beginning. So there will be a pi at the front. So you put 0.5 now and keep pi in the beginning. So it will be 4 into 0.5 square, no, cube, and then divided by 3, and then 4 into 0.5 square divided by 2, and then plus 0.5. So this will be the calculation. So move to the next line. It is pi, of course, and this is 32 by 3. So it is 10.67, and then it is 8, and then it is 2, and then pi, and then this is 1 by 2, 1 by 6. 1 by 6 means 0.1167, 16 165 or something. Yeah, 166, something like this maybe. So this one will be 1 by 2, 0.5, and this one is also 0.5. You check, is this correct or not? So this one is 2.67, 4.67, and this one is 0.167. So 4.67. So it will be 4.52 pi altogether.
So 14.13.
14.13.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
14.13, sir.
Okay, so 14.13 is the answer. So this will be unit cube. This will be unit cube. Okay, that is centimeter cube or inch cube, something like that. So it will be cube because it is volume. So why rotation? Now you understand why rotation, because a certain shape is being rotated and then the 3D shape is being done, so that the volume will be that particular shape which is coming from a rotation. That is why we call volume of rotation. So this is one example. Let me give you another example. Is this okay? Do you understand this?
Sir, is that mean that, like, sir, when it is rotating, like, sir, the circle's value is volume of rotation?
Not circle's value. Circle is just a circle. This is a 3D figure. You think about this 3D figure. So this 3D figure is like this. It is a cone kind of thing. Okay. You
Yes,
can
sir.
just you can just make it like this. That is also possible. Okay. This is a cone. Okay. Maybe
Yes, sir.
Sir,
this
the
is the figure,
um,
right? You
volume.
Yes,
can,
sir.
if you think it just from the top, then maybe this will be the figure. If you see it from the top, so this is the thing, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you need to imagine this is a three-dimensional figure, so there will be volume. So volume means what is the total space inside. What is the total space inside? Like a bottle, as I said, say one Coke bottle. So how much of water can be put into that bottle? That is the volume. That is how much space the bottle has. That is the volume of the bottle. Okay.
মানে স্যার কোণের ভিতরে কতটুক জায়গা আছে, ওই ঘোরার
Exactly.
পরে কোণটা হয়েছে ওই কোণের ভিতরে কতটুক জায়গা, এটা হচ্ছে ভলিউম।
Exactly. So how much air is in there or how much water you can put inside. So that is the volume. Okay.
স্যার একবার।
So football. So volume is how much air you have inside a football. That is the volume. Okay. So now let me show
Sir,
you
one
another
question.
example. Is it okay? Can I erase this?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, the here the triangle always
Hmm.
rotate with the x-axis, like
Yes.
okay.
Yes. So it will be rotated with the x-axis. This is the rule. I mean, if you use the formula like uh, a to b, there will be pi at the front, and then a to b integration of y square dx. Then you are thinking y is a function of x, and in that case the independent variable x, this will be the rotating line. Okay. Now you tell me what was your question. Your question is something more beyond
No, sir.
my talking.
Sir, I
Huh?
was thinking that the triangle will rotate with the right side, but it rotate with the x-axis. That's why it come to the down.
Okay, right side money to me. What you wanted to mean by right side? What is the right side actually? What do you mean by right side?
So the triangle rotate with the x-axis. That's why it rotate like the. Uh, so I understood that
Hmm.
always a triangle will rotate with the x-axis. That's why.
Okay.
So it can be any shape without a triangle.
Yes, yes, of course. Can be any shape. Yes. So that comes from the function. That comes from the function. So let us take
Yes.
another example. Let us take another example. A simple example, x square. Okay, y equal to x square. So, Boloto, what will be the shape of this? Anyone has any idea what is the shape of this graph for y equal to x square?
Sir, parabola.
Parabola, yes, you are right. So, what is the place of the parabola? How it will be, I mean, drawn? Let me just do it for you so it will be easy. Okay, this will be like this. Now, This will be exactly like this. Okay, this is the y equal to x square graph. So y equal to x square graph will look like this, and you can say, okay, I know the graph now. This is y equal to x square graph, and the x-axis, y-axis, all these are same. So this is y, and then 0, then x dash, x, and y dash, and there will be numbers like this one is 0 point, of course. Okay, it is 1 point. Okay, and then it is 2 4 point. So this is 4 actually. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 1 and then 2 and then 3, something like that. So if you put x equals to 2, y is 2 square, that is 4. So this is the point I actually mean. This is the point. Maybe it will be little more steeper, but anyway, so let us think about this. So we are now taking the line here, which is x equal to 0. This is just the y-axis itself. Okay, so there is nothing new thing. It is the 0 boundary, and I am taking 2. Okay, so this is x equals to 2 line, little no. Okay, so this is the boundary. So what I wanted to say, the function given is y equal to x square. The x range, okay, range of x value is given like from 0 to 2. So this is the x lower boundary 0, x upper boundary 2. So that is the given thing. Now, you know, it looks like a triangle, but it is not exactly triangle. This is the shape which is to be rotated now. So if you rotate this, then what will be the shape? The shape will be something like this. The shape will be something like this. Okay, and the rotation will give you a 3D figure like this. Do you understand it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that 3D shape uh, you can imagine here, and after using the volume of rotation formula, you actually find out the volume of this particular 3D shape. So how to do that? This is not a big deal because it is very easy. You can do it easily. Pi, then 0 to 2, then you can okay, let me write the formula, y square dx. You can put the value of y, so it will be x to the power 4 actually. So it will be 0 to 2, then x to the power 4 dx, and then you do the integration, so it will be x to the power 5 by 5, and then third bracket, then lower boundary 0, upper boundary 2. So you put the 2 value first, so it will be 2 to the power 5 divided by 5, and then minus, then 0 divided by 5. So it is actually 32 by 5, so 6.4. 6.4 uh, unit cube. It is cubic unit.
So isn't there a pi? So we can.
Oh yes, yes, pi. আবার ভুলে গেলাম তো। আহা, তাই তো কেমনে হবে? So you have to take pi. Yes, I forgot this. So this is pi into this minus this. So it is actually 6.4 pi, 6.4 pi. So pi value is 3.14. It will be কত 19,
20.10.
20.10.
okay, 20.10. So this will be the unit cube. This will be the unit cube. So the volume calculation is easy, but my main focus of today's class is to make you understand volume of what shape, volume of what actually. So this is the understanding. 20.10 centimeter cube or inch cube will be the volume of this shape. So how the shape is coming? The shape is coming from a rotation, and in that x-axis is the center of the rotation, and you have a particular area which is being rotated actually, and after 360-degree rotation you are getting the 3D shape. So that is the understanding. Is it okay? Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Sir,
yes.
sir, why we need the range from 0 to 2?
uh, uh, it is not why we need, it is as given in the question. Okay, so আমি মনে করো এখানে 2 পর্যন্ত দিলাম, এই জন্য আমি এই ব্লু কালারটা বলছি। সো ইফ আই টেক দিস আপ টু 3, যদি আমি এটা 3 পর্যন্ত নিতাম তাহলে আমি এরকম একটা লাইন পাইতাম, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য আপার বাউন্ডারি। Okay.
So it will be given in the question, the range of
Yes,
the.
of course, of
Okay.
course, of course. Say আমি এটা 3 পর্যন্ত নিলাম না, say I'm taking this up to 2.5. Okay, so this is the 2.5, right? You understand? It is the 2.5, and the lower limit I'm taking, say for example I'm taking up to 1. So this is my lower limit, that is up to 1, and I am now erasing the, I mean I'm now taking, oh এটা তো সবুজ হয়ে গেল, I'm now taking this and I am also erasing this part. So what you will understand now, you will understand the uh, the interval of x is from 1 up to 2.5, from 1 up to 2.5. So you do the calculation in that way. Okay, now if you do the calculation, okay, এটা রাখি, if you do the calculation, you do it like integration from 1 to 2.5, and there will be a pi in the beginning, and you will find the same y square, then you do the calculation and there will be an answer. Okay, of course there will be an answer, that will be the volume of a particular 3D shape. What is the shape now? The shape
স্যার
of
খালি কোনটা মুছে দিলে চতুর্ভুজ আকৃতি হয়ে যাবে?
না, আর একটু চিন্তা করো, the shape will be something like this, the shape will be something like this.
স্যার ওটাই বলছি, মানে পিছনের কোণাটা আর কি চতুর্ভুজ আকৃতি হয়ে যাবে।
না, চতুর্ভুজ কেমনে হবে, এটা পুরা গোল।
স্যার কিছুটা ট্রাপিজিয়ামের মতো হয়েছে, অতটাও না।
হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু এটা তো গোল, এটা তোমাকে 3D চিন্তা করতে হবে। তো ট্রাপিজিয়াম বা এইসব চতুর্ভুজ এগুলো সব 2D শেপ, ওরকম না, তোমাকে এইভাবে চিন্তা করতে হবে। এটা হলো পুরা 3D। ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড মাই পয়েন্ট?
জি স্যার
Yes, sir.
বুঝছি। জি স্যার।
So, right. So, this is the understanding. Now, the question is, how can you understand the range of x values? Yes, of
ইয়েস
course.
স্যার।
If I give you the graph in the exam, then I will also give you the range. That is, you will understand what is the range need to be taken. Okay, so that will not be a big problem. It's all right. Is that okay? Now, do you understand?
ইয়েস
Yes,
স্যার।
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
স্যার
So now, yes.
যদি এখন যদি দেয়া না থাকতো, যদি এই রেঞ্জটা তো আপনি কি নিজের ইচ্ছা মতোই নিছেন নাকি?
হ্যাঁ, আমার আমার মনে হচ্ছে আমি একটু বড় করব। আমি যদি এটা আরো বড় করি তাহলে আরো বড় হবে,
ও বুঝছি।
তাই
স্যার
না?
এখন যদি জিরো থেকেই শুরু করতে হবে, কিন্তু জিরো থেকে তো আমি 1 পর্যন্ত নিতে পারি, আবার 0 থেকে 3 পর্যন্ত নিতে পারি, তাহলে তো শেপটা চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে না। এটা তো 2 তো চেঞ্জ করা যাবে তখন।
হ্যাঁ, দুই দিক থেকে চেঞ্জ করা যাবে। শেপ তো চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে বাই সাইজ। দেখতে তো একই থাকতেছে। মনে করো এটা যদি আমি 1 থেকে শুরু করে 2 পর্যন্ত নেই তাহলে এরকম আসলো, ভালো কথা। আমি যদি 3 পর্যন্ত নিতাম, দেখতে একই, সিমিলার শেপ, বাট ইট উইল বি বিগার।
একটু ছোট বড় হয়ে যেত।
রাইট, সো এটা হবে আর কি। এখানেও একই রকম। তুমি মনে করো 0.5 থেকে শুরু করলা, তাহলে এদিকে আরেকটু চিকন হবে, আরো আরো একটু মাথাটা এরকম যাবে, তাই না? আর যদি এদিকে আমি 3 পর্যন্ত চলে যাই তাহলে আরেকটু বড় হবে। সো লাইক দ্যাট। ওকে, so this is the understanding. Is that okay now?
ওকে স্যার।
Good. So let me
Yes, sir.
okay, let me give you another idea that is also important, because I already gave some of the practice problems in the worksheet. So another idea is, I can give you the drawing, I can give you the diagram in your exam or in your question, so that you can interpret what I want, and then you will find it out. Okay, so say we are coming back to 1 again. We are coming back to not 1, 2. We are coming back to 2 again. This is the 2 line. Okay, and I am erasing these parts. Say I'm not taking this. Okay, and and I'm saying there is another line, and that line is the straight line. Okay, there is another line, that line is a straight line, and the straight line is being drawn like this. Say straight line is like this. A straight line ta এইভাবে গেছে. So this is the second graph, and it is, who can say what is the equation of the straight line? Can anyone say what will be the
Y equal to
equation of
mx
the
plus
straight
c.
line?
X plus
Y
X
equal to mx
plus
plus c.
mx plus c.
হ্যাঁ, সি তো বলতেছি, কিন্তু আমি ওইগুলো চাই না। আমি চাই
mx.
এক্স্যাক্টলি কি বলো।
Y
Then
equal to
sir,
mx.
X plus
y equal to x.
y equal to x. Okay, এটা ক্লোজ, not correct
Sir,
sir
fully,
X
but
plus 2.
sir, y equal to mx.
y equal to mx. That is the formula. Yes. So y equal to x, y equal to mx. Similar kind of answer.
No sir,
So
I just said
actually,
that. No sir, I just said that based on the parabola, like the parabola is y is equal to x square. So I thought it might be y is equal to x.
Sir,
no,
That's
no,
why
I'm talking about straight line.
the formula is y is equal to mx, sir.
Yes, formula is y equal to mx, and you said maybe y equal to x. That is also similar answer, correct? Okay, but exactly this equation will be y equal to 2x. Why y equal to 2x? Because according to the point, you can understand this point. This point is actually 2 comma 4. So when x equals to 2, y will be 4. And what is this point? This point everyone knows it is 0, 0. So when x equals to 0, y equal to 0. Okay, and it is true for both cases. It is true for y equal to x square, and it is true for y equal to 2x. So there are two things. One is the parabola and one is the straight line. So I want to find out the area of the white region. So if you want to find out the area of white region, then what will happen? What to do?
Sir, we have to find all the sir, all the value, like full white plus the blue one. Then find the blue one. Then it sir, sub, sir, sorry,
Subtract. Yes.
subtract. Then it will be
Yes.
the value.
Yes. That is correct answer. So that is the correct answer. So you can say area under the curve y equal to 2x, okay, minus area under the curve y equal to x square. Okay, so these two calculation you will do, and for area calculation there is no pi. You just use the range of x, that is 0 to 2, and it is 2x dx, and then 0 to 2 it is x square dx. So for 2x dx you can find 2 into x square by 2. So it is x square, that's all. 2 into x square by 2. So 0, 2 are the x boundaries, and it is x cube by 3, and then 0, 2 are the x boundaries. And you put the x value, so it is 2 square minus 0 square, and then minus, then 2 cube by 3 and 0 cube by 3. So finally it is 4 minus 8 by 3. 8 by 3 means 4 minus 2.67. So it is 1.33.
3.
1.33. It is unit square. It is unit square. Yes.
Sir, what is our pi?
Pi to আমরা নিতেছি না কারণ we are calculating area. Okay. Pi is necessary only for volume, and ভলিউমের ক্ষেত্রে তোমাকে স্কয়ারও করতে হবে, ওয়াই স্কয়ার। আমরা তো এখানে স্কয়ারও করতেছি না। সো আমরা এই হোয়াইট পার্টের এরিয়াটা বের করলাম, ওকে। সো দিস পার্ট will be 1.33 unit square, and that's it. So our class time is also over. So